This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Damien Pro. Tired of competing against multiple offers or not able to find the right floor plan? Build your dream home on this stunning 0.27-acre lot located on Alabama Hill. Site offers the perfect blend of privacy, views and natural beauty to create your own custom design. Corners are flagged and includes permit to utilize half of the vacant alley, increasing lot size. Site is steps away from the urban trail on Dead End Street and walking distance to Barkley Village, Whatcom Falls Park and Galbraith. The hard work is done and ready for your building plans. An adjacent lot, 3022 East North Street, is also available for purchase. Build a second home for your loved ones or best friend. Please refer to MLS number 2,059,330. Seller works with local builder for hire. For more information, review the details below.